Hi viewers, it's Energy Derive again. Do you know how an optocoupler works? Today we'll be talking about what an optocoupler is, and how it works, and we will design a simple circuit to demonstrate how to use an optocoupler. Please like and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get notified when we upload new videos. An optocoupler, also known as a photocoupler, is an electronic component that uses light, precisely infrared light, to connect two circuits together while keeping them electrically isolated from each other. It consists of an infrared LED and a phototransistor placed in a single package. Let's explain how it works. When we apply voltage to the infrared LED, it emits infrared light which is then detected by the phototransistor. In our previous knowledge on transistors, we learned that we can allow current flow from the collector to the emitter by applying a voltage to the base. In the case of optocouplers, current will flow from the collector to the emitter when the base of the phototransistor detects the infrared light from the infrared LED. So in optocouplers, the circuits are isolated electrically, which makes it very efficient when using optocouplers to control low and high frequency circuits. So we'll design a simple circuit to demonstrate how an optocoupler works. This is the circuit diagram. Voltage is applied to the infrared LED so that the infrared LED would emit infrared light. Voltage is also applied to the transistor, but the transistor would allow current to flow from the collector to the emitter when it detects the infrared light from the infrared LED. Let's test the circuit. That's all about today's video. I'll leave the links to my previous videos in the description. Thank you for watching.